In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom rules to identify duplicates in Hubspot. We all know that having a clean and organized contact list is crucial for effective customer relationship management, and Hubspot provides us with tools to make this process easier. I'll guide you through the steps to set up custom rules to help you identify those pesky duplicate contacts that can clutter your system. First, let's head over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your Hubspot account. Look for the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials carefully to access your Hubspot dashboard. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. This is your main hub for navigating all the different features HubSpot has to offer. Whether you're new or a seasoned user, it's always reassuring to start from here whenever you're working on tasks within HubSpot. Next, locate and click on the CRM option. The CRM is where all your customer information and interactions are stored, making it an essential part of this process. Now direct your attention to the Contacts tab and click on it. This is where you'll access all the data about the people and companies you interact with most often. With the Contacts page open, look at the top of the screen for the Actions button and click on it. This drop down is where we can manage various tasks related to our contact database. Within this drop down menu, you'll see the option to manage duplicates. Go ahead and click it. This feature is what will allow us to identify and correct duplicates based on specific rules and criteria that we set. Once you're redirected to the Manage Duplicates section, click on the Manage Duplicates button again. This may seem redundant, but it's just how the system is set up to give you access to the duplicate management tool. Here you can employ HubSpot's AI-driven algorithms to automatically suggest duplicate contacts based on similar attributes, or you can customize the rules yourself. And there you have it, you are now empowered to create custom rules and efficiently manage duplicate contacts within HubSpot. This process helps maintain a clean database and ensures that your interactions with clients are both streamlined and effective. Remember, regularly checking for duplicates can save you time and improve your team's overall productivity by keeping your contacts organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your HubSpot usage.